Hola, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So check it out. We're going to be doing some little waterfall scene with the volcano thing and the little mountain lion. Maybe that's what it is. I'm not determined. And blah, 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 we're going to be doing this on this little white background. Basically, what it is just a white jaw and then matte on top. You know what I mean? So you can get ready for me. Some markers. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the base with markers, right? And then pick the babies up and like reverse stamp them though. You know, so it could be like softer and then bam. At least that's what I'm envisioning. Let's see what really goes down, right? So here we go. I'm thinking I wanna use kind of like rainbowish looking in the background. Some purple and pink and blue and orange even and yellow. These are the colors I'm thinking, right? We're gonna do little alcohol to dip them in. You know what I mean? To get the juices flowing and stuff. Let's do it. So let's just get us a little bit of this thing here. And we're gonna start here. Okay, so what I want on it is this scene, but I need this to close out just a little bit, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna pick it up 2 times so I could do 2 separate, stampies. Here we go. Picking up with black. Oh, of course. Let's do one for him, one for him. Should he be black? Yeah, he needs to. And then what we're gonna do is maybe grab the tree in green too. Or we could shadow it. Whoa, why did I do that? That was weird. Yeah, we could just shadow two behind it, or we could just pick up the tree itself in green and kind of like shadow it with that. So just him, boom. Yeah, baby, that's gonna be so cute. Nice. Let me go ahead and seal this. And I'm gonna seal it with this guy. There we go. And let's do a minimal type of painting on this. Like a little bit of brown maybe on these rock looking things. And a color on him and some green, right? Yeah, let's do it. also want some clouds. You know what I mean? I want to put some clouds on there. So do I want like the open cloud or the full cloud? Well, you know what? I will have used them as open anyway. Let's pick these up right here because they're bigger. You already know. I gotta have my white, baby. I gotta have my white. So beautiful. Alright, that's what we're looking for, baby. Right there. A nice, colorful little rainbow. This makes it shiny. I hate it, but you know, whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry, and I think this is gonna be ready for us this time. Pretty girl, look how cute it looks. I'm so flippin' excited. I'm gonna need to pick up more things, you know? Like, I know I want this. I want it, need this. Nah. Let's pick up some more stuff. Oh snap, I stamped it and I wasn't recording, but look how cute it is. It's beautiful. We got more to stamp though. Hold up. It's okay, but I love it so much. I just saw it come to life, dude. Just saw it come to life. Okay, let me be serious and actually catch this one on camera. Hold on, let me remember. So what goes over here? Okay, so we're gonna put this. Boom. Kind of like from the side here. I don't know. It would be nice if I could kind of hug it. Like hug it. Yeah, right. Okay, I'm good with that. Hold up. And a little bit of water. I'm so excited. It's so freaking gorgeous to me. Look, I could put that waterfall underneath him and everything. Mamacita, yeah, buddy. Okay, here we go. Boom. Waterfall on the bottom. Boop. Yes. Yeah, baby. I got a little tiny tip there on the bottom, bro. But you know what? We're not gonna cry. We're not gonna cry. We're not gonna shed a mother effing tear. Boom. Okay, and then a little wing cloud. That's needed, right? Maybe only one, though. What do you think? I mean, maybe only one is needed on this guy. Cute. Isn't it cute? Oh man, I'm so excited. Alright, this is too much. Calm down, lady. Calm down. Hold up. Who's next? Oh, I love it. Here we go. Volcano in the middle. I love that. Volcano in the middle. Right here. Boom. Can we catch it from the bottom? Yeah, we can. Done. There it is. Oh, how nice. I am loving this eye. I'm almost wondering though, can we stick a little bit of that on the other? Why not, right? Hold up. I don't see why not. Just a little bit of this. Right here. Boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come down just for the end. I mean, boom. There it is. You can't even tell. You know what I mean? Alright, last one is gonna be this one. I think, let's see if we're gonna be able to get most of this on here. It has its own little cloud. Oh, and sing. I mean, you can't be mad at it. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. And we're just gonna cut this extra stuff. And then on the last one, I was just gonna put some trees on there. Nothing reverse stamped on it. And show my base a little bit more. Yeah, buddy, let's do that. Let me clean up first though, because geez, I have a really big mess here. And I have a little clown, so that could go over there. Okay, so we cleaned up. Let's finish this baby now. Boom, a little cloud action. And then there's some trees, nothing dramatic. It could be him or it could just be this. Real nice and simple is really what I want for them. Here we go. Maybe the little people can be. I don't know. I have to see how it looks. Here we go. Hello, people. I know for sure, no. Here it is. Alright, he might actually look cool, okay. Alright, he's gonna work. I want him, right? But I also want the tree, so bam, there it is. Nice. Okay. I dig. Okay, so let's go ahead, put our sealer. Everybody gets a top coat. Baka bing boom. It's a gel top coat. And it's done, baby. Yeah, we do our little dance. Loves. Look at that, baby. So vibrant and still dark and beautiful. Oh, yay. For sure, I love that little man all by himself, admiring. Wait a minute, can you see this? Hold up. Is my zoom weird? There it is. You may see that better. There's homeboy and that beautiful mountain lion, volcanoes, and just waterfalls. And it's so gorgeous. I love it. I want it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while we created this little scene right here. And I hope you enjoy and come back again. You hear? I'll be right here. Just remember, take that away. Have fun with it, you know. It's a good time. It's a good time. Share that love. Peace. Au revoir. Hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe.